Hi all, welcome to ACE Online. Today in this lecture, what we'll do is, we will take a particular topic which is very important, that is number system, and we will discuss all the original previous year questions. All the original previous year questions. Original previous year questions. So along with the question, you will also see in the bracket, along with the question, you will also see in the bracket the question, which shift the question came and which year the question came. Through each and every question, we will try to learn the concept and we will try to solve the problem. Right. Now, immediately we will get into the problem without wasting too much of time. See the first question. Find the greatest number. Find the greatest number. We need the largest number. Okay. The number value should be largest. The number value should be largest. It is clear to me. Next one. What is the number that is given to us? 23A 68B. The number is 23A 68B. Okay. This is the number. A and B alphabets denotes digits. Which value we do not know. Right. But there is a condition that this number has to fulfill. What is the condition? The number should be divisible by 3. The number should be divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? What is the divisibility rule of 3? Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. That means if I add the digits, the sum should be a multiple of 3, but it should not be a multiple of 9. It is clearly mentioned that it is not divisible by 9. That means answer digital sum should not be 9. Answer digital sum should not be 9. I hope the idea it is very much clear. The value that is given to A and B, that sum of the digits after keeping that value, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, but it should not be divisible by 9. It should not be divisible by 9. So what we will do is, we will delete the numbers whose sum is 9. First option, 6 plus 3, 9, delete it. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 2, 18, delete it. 9, it is deleted. First option, digital sum is 9, I removed it. Second option, 6 plus 3, 9, here also 9. 13 plus 2, 15. 15, it is 6. 6 is a multiple of 3, but not a multiple of 9. Keep it as it is. 6 plus 3, 9. Here also 9. 16 plus 2, 18. 18, it is a multiple of 9. Right, we should remove the number which is a multiple of 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 is 1 plus 5, 6. Answer can be first or the last one. Answer can be either A or D. Now see here. I want the greatest number. I want the greatest number or the largest number. Greatest number. Which one is the largest among? Right? If you see here. 6 plus 3 out, 9 out, 13, 15. B and D. B option is 2,39,685. D option is 2,37,687. That means the largest is 2,39,685. 2,39,685. I hope the idea it is clear. Answer, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, but it should not be divisible by 9. That is the entire idea of the question. Question is based on the divisibility rule of 3. Question is based on the divisibility rule of 3. Now see here. Find the greatest number. Answer should be an maximum value. What is the condition that it should fulfill? Which divides 108. There is a number, it seems. There is a number which will divide 108. It leaves a same remainder. Let the remainder is R. Let the remainder is R. The same number when it is dividing 124. The same number when it is dividing 124. It gives the same remainder R. It gives the same remainder R. There is a number 156. It is getting divided by N. Right? It leaves the same remainder R. It leaves the same remainder R. This question is based on the concept of division theorem and HCF. This question is checking about the application of division theorem and highest common factor. Division theorem and highest common factor. Division theorem and highest common factor. Now if I take an example, of 17, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, remainder it is 3. 7 2s are 14, remainder it is 3. 17 is called dividend. 17 is called dividend. 7 is called divisor. 2 is called quotient. Remainder it is 3. So 17 it is 7 into 2 plus 3. 17 is given by 7 into 2 plus 3. Dividend is equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equivalent to 108 into x. 108 is n into x plus r. Similarly, I can write it as 108 minus r is n into x. Similarly, next one will be 124 is equivalent to n into y plus r. 124 is n into y plus r. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 124 minus r is equivalent to n into y. Similarly, third value, dividend is equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It will be 156 minus r is n into z. 156 minus r is n into z. Now if you observe carefully, listen carefully, sir. That means 108 minus r, these should be divisible by n. 124 minus r, it should be divisible by n. 156 minus r, it should be divisible by n. It should be divisible by n. That means n should divide 108 minus r, n should divide 124 minus r, n should divide 156 minus r. That means n is a factor of all these numbers. And I also want the highest number. So factor common to all the three numbers is HCF. HCF of 108 minus r, comma 124 minus r, comma 156 minus r. 108 minus r, comma 124 minus r, comma 156 minus r. Why it is HCF? I want the largest number, and it is clearly visible to me that n is a factor of this number. All are natural numbers are here. So n is a factor of this number, n is a factor of this number, n is a factor of this number. Factor common to all the three numbers is HCF of 108 minus r, comma 124 minus r, 156 minus r. Till here it is clear. Another concept of HCF. HCF of A comma B comma C. HCF of A comma B comma C. Right answer will be an equivalent to HCF of B minus A comma C minus B. It is also equivalent to HCF of B minus A comma C minus A. It is also equivalent to B minus A comma C minus A. So if I take these difference, 124 minus r minus of 108 minus r, it is 16. 124 minus r, 156 minus r, 156 minus r, minus of 124 minus r, it is 32. So answer will be HCF of 16 comma 32. Whenever we are doing 16 HCF, the concentration is on the smallest number. Smallest number is 16. Is 16 dividing 32? Yes. So answer for this question is 16. Answer for this question is 16. Purely conceptual oriented question. Whenever you find questions like this, what you will use? You will use the concept of dividend is equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 108 is n into x plus r. 124 is n into y plus r. 156 is n into z plus r. N should be a factor of these three numbers. HCF of any three numbers. Answer will be a factor of difference of any two numbers. Difference of these two numbers, difference of these two numbers. I hope the idea it is clear. First problem. Detailed I explained. Directly answer is these 16, these 32. HCF of 16, 32, it is 16. I hope the idea it is clear. Now if you see here, listen carefully, sir. How many natural numbers are there from 500 to 650 which are neither divisible by 3 nor 7? Now before solving this question, I will explain a quotient function property. Once you understand the quotient function property, this question which actually takes 5 minutes to solve, you can solve it in 5 to 10 seconds if you know these concept. Concept of quotient function. Concept of quotient function. Concept of quotient function. Very, very important property, sir, which will help us in saving a lot of time. In saving a lot of time. Concept of quotient function. I will take an example. Let there be a natural number 360. Write this natural number as a power of prime basis. If I write down it as 8 into 9 into 5. 8 as a power of prime basis. It is 2 cube. 9 as a power of prime basis. It is 3 square. And it is 5 power 1. N is 360. I wrote 360 as a power of prime basis. Now if you see here, how many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360? This question is an extremely important question, sir. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are? First one, divisible by 235. First question, divisible by 235. Second question, divisible by 2 comma 3 but not by 5. Divisible by 2 comma 3 but not by 5. Third one, divisible by 2 comma 5 but not 3. Divisible by 2 comma 5 but not 3. Divisible by 2 comma 5 but not by 3. Fourth one, divisible by 2, not divisible by 3 comma 5. Divisible by 3 but not by 2 comma 5. But not divisible by 2 comma 5. Next one, not divisible by 235. Not divisible by 235. Not divisible by 235. These 6 questions, we will solve it very, very logically. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are divisible by 235, are divisible by 23 but not 5? First 3 questions if you understand, then rest of the questions you can solve it in fingertips. Let us see this question. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360? We will not use any concept of Venn diagrams here. Divisible by 235. Total how many numbers are there? 360 numbers are there. How many are divisible by 2? For every 2 consecutive numbers, you take any 2 consecutive numbers that comes into your mind. 7 comma 8, 8 is divisible by 2. 12 comma 13, 12 is divisible by 2. Right? 299 comma 300, 300 it is divisible by 2. For every 2 numbers, 1 number it is divisible by 2. Next is divisible by 3. You take any 3 consecutive numbers. You take any 3 consecutive numbers. 4, 5, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 8, 9, 10. 9 is divisible by 3. You take any 3 consecutive numbers. 1 number it is divisible by 3. So out of 3, 1 number it is divisible. Similarly, you take any 5 consecutive numbers. Any 5 consecutive numbers you take. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 is divisible by 5. Any 5 consecutive numbers. 1 number it is divisible by 5. 1 number it is divisible. 6 5s are 30. 30 12s are 360. Answer for this question is 12. Answer for this question is 12. Now see here. Divisible, it is very easy. Divisible by 2 comma 3. Total 360 numbers are written. For every 2 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. For every 3 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. But not by 5. When I say but not by 5, for every 5 consecutive numbers, 1 number it is divisible by 5. Listen carefully. For every 5 consecutive numbers, 1 number it is divisible by 5. How many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 5. 4 by 5. Out of 5 consecutive, 1 is divisible. How many are not divisible? 4. So 6 5s are 30, 30 12s are 360, 12 4s are 48. I hope you got an idea, right? This question is based upon this concept. Divisible by 2 comma 5. For every 360 numbers, for every 2 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. For every 5 consecutive numbers, 1 number it is divisible. But not by 3. For every 3 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. How many are not divisible? 2. So this will be 10 3s are 30, 30 12s are 360, 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. I hope the idea it is clear. Divided by 2, but not divided by 3 comma 5. For every 360 numbers, for every 2 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. 1 number it is divisible. Not divisible. For every 3, not divisible it is 2. For every 5, not divisible it is 4. So 30, 12s are, 12 8s are 96. I hope you got an idea of all these questions. Let us solve 6th, 7th and 8th. Not divisible by 2, 3, 5. For every 360 numbers, for every 2 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 1. For every 3 numbers, 1 number divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. For every 5 numbers, 1 number divisible. How many are not divisible? 4. 6 5s are 30, 30 12s are 360, 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. Fifth one, tell me the answer. For every 360 consecutive numbers, for every 3 numbers, 1 number divisible, but not divisible by 2 and 5. For every 2, 1 number divisible, 1 is not divisible. For every 5, 1 number divisible, 4 not divisible. 6 5s are 30, 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. I hope the idea it is very much clear. For every 2 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 2. For every 3 consecutive, 1 number divisible. How many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 3. I hope these 6 questions are very much clear to you. Please do not use any Venn diagram concept to solve this kind of questions. 2 prime numbers are there, 2 sets you will take. If 3 prime numbers are there, 3 sets. As the number of prime number increases, writing the number of Venn diagram, the question complexity will be difficult. So you should not use that method. By using this method, you will get the answer very fast. Now, if you see here, answer for this question. Answer for this question. 21, 121, 87, 99. First of all, read the question. How many numbers are there from 500 to 650? Lowest value is 500. Highest value it is 650. Lowest 500. Highest 650. Highest 650. Total number of numbers from lowest to highest. Total number of numbers from lowest to highest is given by highest value minus lowest value plus 1. Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 650 minus 500. 150 plus 1. 151. Total numbers are 151. Read the question. They are neither divisible by 3 nor by 7. For every 3 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2 by 3. Next one. Not divisible by 7. Out of 7 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 6. 7 3s are 21. 21. 7 point something. 7 2s are 14. 14 6 are 84. Answer is just greater than 84. Answer is just greater than 84. Answer is just greater than 84. Without even counting it, how you got the answer? I hope the approach it is very much clear to you. 500 to 650. Lowest is 500. Highest is 650. Number of numbers is highest minus lowest plus 1. 650 minus 500 plus 1. Out of 151 numbers, for every 3 numbers, 1 is divisible. How many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 3. Out of 7 numbers, 1 number it is 7 consecutive numbers. One number it is divisible by 7. How many are not divisible? 6 by 7. 21 7s are 147. 7 point something into 12. Answer is just greater than 84. The only option which is just greater than 84 is 87. Very, very good question. Concept of quotient function will help you to solve the problems which are related to divisibility rule. Divisible by K1, not divisible by K2, not divisible by K1, K2. Extremely important model related to your exams. Question 3. I hope it is clear. Question 4. Read the question 4. What is the greatest number? I want the largest number. I want the largest value. I want the largest value. Largest value by which 157, 181 and 331 leaves a remainder 6 in each case. If you observe question number 4 and question number 2. Question number 2, it is leaving the same remainder. We got 108 minus R, 124 minus R, 156 minus R. Here also we will get 156 minus 6, comma 181 minus 6, comma 331 minus 6. Answer is HCF of these three numbers. Answer is HCF of these three numbers. 156 minus 6 is 150. 181 minus 6 is 175. 331 minus 6 is 325. Very, very important. In this question, I will not only tell you what is the right answer, I will tell you why other three are incorrect. That will help us in solving a lot of questions. HCF of 150, 175, 325. Already we discussed. HCF of ABC is HCF of B minus A, which is 25, comma C minus B. It is 150. Whenever you are doing HCF, entire concentration is on the smallest number. Smallest number is 25. Dividing 150, yes. So answer for this question is 25. 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 Please write down some important key points which will not only help us to solve this problem but also other problems of this variety. Key points. It is just not in problem solving. You need to understand the root cause of the problem. Then only you will be able to solve the problems very fast. Right. Key points. First key point. See here. Whenever the question is, whenever it is HCF of N1, N2, N3 and so on. Whenever you are finding HCF, only concentrate on the smallest number in the input. Please concentrate on the smallest number in the input. Concentrate on the smallest number in the input. Smallest number in the input. Second one, whenever you are finding LCM, please concentrate on the largest number present in the input. Please concentrate on the largest number present in the input. Largest number present in the input. Example, HCF of 5, 15, 30. 5, 15, 30. 5 is the smallest number. Is the smallest number, right? Is a factor of other numbers. Is 15 getting divided by 5? 15 is 3 into 5. Yes. 30 is 5 into 6. That means if smallest number is dividing every other number, smallest number is the HCF. If smallest number is dividing every other number, smallest number is the HCF. Sir, what if smallest number does not divide? HCF of 6, 9, 12. HCF of 6, 9, 12. Now listen carefully. HCF of 6, 9, 12. What will be the smallest number? Smallest number is 6. Is 6 a factor of 9 and 12? Is 6 a factor of 9 and 12? 6 will not divide 9. So take the factor of 6. Factor of 6 is 3. Factor of 6 is 3. Answer for this question is 3. Whenever you are solving a question related to HCF, concentration is on the smallest number. Whenever we are doing problems with respect to LCM, we will concentrate on the largest number. Anil sir, why we are concentrating on the smallest number in HCF? HCF acronym stands for highest common factor. That number should be a factor of every other number. Factor will be a number which will be less than or equivalent to given number. That is the reason HCF is smallest. That is the reason LCM is largest. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if it is LCM of 15, 30, 60. LCM of 15, 30, 60. Take the largest number. Is 60 divisible by 15? 60 is 15 into 4. Is 60 divisible by 30? Yes. So answer is 60. Answer is 60. LCM we took the largest number. If it is, for example, 6, 9. Largest is 9. Is 9 divisible by 6? No. Take the next multiple of 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 6. 18 is divisible by 6. LCM means take the largest number. HCF is take the smallest number. Second point. I hope it is clear. Another important point, sir. Another important point. Listen carefully. The same example if we take HCF of 6, 9 it is 3. HCF of 6, 9 it is 3. One important conclusion. Please watch the example. Answer is divisible by 3. Answer will be divisible by k only when the input all the numbers are divisible by k. Answer will be divisible by 3, right? Only when you are doing HCF function, input every number should be divisible by 3. Input every number is divisible by 3. For example, that instead of 3 it can be anything, sir. HCF of 15, 25 it is 5. Answer is divisible by 5. Input every number it should be divisible by 5. Input every number should be divisible by 5. Now with this understanding, without even solving the question, I can easily say answer is 25 within 5 to 10 seconds. Sir, how sir? If the answer is 13, input all the numbers should be divisible by 13. 150 is not divisible by 13. If the answer is 17, input all the numbers should be divisible by 17. If the answer, if it is not divisible by 13, how can it be divisible by 26? How can it be divisible by 26? Idea it is clear, right? Whenever you are doing HCF function, if the answer is divisible by k, input all the numbers should be divisible by k. Input all the numbers should be divisible by k. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. I am going to use this a lot in the problems. Next one. See this question. If the 7-digit number, there is a 7-digit number which is X8942Y4. X8942Y4. This is a 7-digit number. This number is divisible by 56. This number is divisible by 56. This number is divisible by 56. 56 is a composite number. So, to determine the divisibility rule of 56, first we need to do the divisibility rule of 7, then divisibility rule of 8. Then we have to combine. Answer should be divisible by 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. What are the last 3 digits? These are the last 3 digits. For a number to be divisible by 8, first it should be divisible by 4. So, divisible by 4 means, what are all the cases? 04, 24, 44, 64, 84. These numbers will make the last two digits divisible by 4. 4, 24, 44, 64, 84. Anyway, tens place is given 2. Anyway, tens place is given. Tens place is given. So these are all the possibilities of y such that the last three digits will be divisible by, right, 8. Now, which all cases? 8 2s are 16, 44, 8 5s are 40. First number, it is not divisible by 8. 8 2s are 16, 64, 8 8s are 64. 8 3s are 24, not possible. 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. This is a possibility. 284, no. That means I got two possibilities. What are the two possibilities? Such that this number is divisible by 8. One is 224, another is 264. 224 and 264. That means y can be either be 2 or it can be 6. Y can either be 2 or 6. Now if you see here, what is the value of x square plus y? X square plus y. X square, it is a perfect square. X square, it is a perfect square. X square, it is a perfect square. Now see, first option 2. X square plus 2, 33. X square is 31. 31 is not a perfect square. Second option, x square plus 2, it is 44. X square is 42. It is not possible. Similarly, check it for 6. X square plus 6, 33. X square will be 27. 27 is not a perfect square. X square plus 6 is 44. X square is 38. Not possible. X square plus 2, 55. X square is 53. No. X square plus 6 is 45. X square is 49. 49, it is a perfect square. So x is 7 when y is 6. This possibility we got. X square plus 2, it is 70. So x square will be 68. X square plus 6, it is 70. X square is 64. That means x is 8. X is 8 when y is 6. Two possibilities of x came because of y. If you observe, 49 plus 6 is 55. 64 plus 6 is 70. Two cases I got. The case which will make it divisible by 7 is the answer. Suppose if it is x is 7. So this will be 7, 8, 9, 4, 2. Y value it is 6. 4, 2, 6, 4. 4, 2, 6, 4. Check it out whether it is divisible by 7. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus plus. 7 plus 894 minus 264. 630. 7 plus 630 is 637. 637, it is divisible by 7. That means answer for this question is x is 7 and y is 6. So answer for this question is 55. Answer for this question is 55. I hope the idea it is very clear. Two divisibility rules we have to use. We need to use the divisibility rule of, what are the rules that we have to use? Divisibility rule of 8. Then we need to use the divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 7 is start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Concept I hope it is clear. Next one. What is the remainder? What is the remainder when the product is remainder of 335 into 608 into 853. 335 into 608 into 853, it is divided by 30. When 3 numbers are multiplied and divided by 13, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? The best way to solve this question is go by the individual reminders. Individual reminders. 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26, 75. 13 5s are 65. It is 10. Are you all with me? Right? 13 2s are 26, 75. 13 5s are 65, 10. 13 4s are 52, 88. 13 7s are 91. It is minus 3. 13 4s are 52, 88. 13 7s are 91, minus 3. 13 6s are 78. 78 means remaining will be 73. 13 5s are 65. It is 8. Divided by 30. I hope it is clear. 13 6s are 78. 73. 13 5s are 65. 8. So here it will be 10 8s are 80. 80 into minus 3 divided by 13. 13 6s are 78. 2. 2 into minus 3. Minus 6. Negative remainder minus 6. Positive remainder. 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 13 2s are 26. 75. 13 5s are 65. 10. 13 4s are 52. 88. 13 6 are 7s are 91. Minus 3. 13 6 are 78. 73. 13 5s are 65. 8. 10 8s are 80. 80 will be 13 6s are 78. 2. 2 into minus 3. Minus 6. Negative remainder minus 6. Positive remainder will be 13 minus 6 is plus 7. Answer for this question is plus 7. Simple. Negative remainder or positive reminders, if you use it, you will get the answer. Question 6. I hope it is clear. Question 7. What is the smallest multiple of 7? Answer should be a multiple of 7. Any multiple of 7 is of the form 7k. And the same number leaves a remainder plus 5. This is leaving a remainder plus 5 when it is divided by 8, 9, 12, 15. When a number is divided by 8, 9, 12, 15, it gives a remainder 5. The number which will get divided by 8, 9, 12, 15 is LCM of 8, 9, 12, 15 into k. Always remember, whenever there is a question related to divided by, use the concept of LCM. Use the concept of LCM. Whenever there is a question related to divides, use the concept of HCF. Use the concept of HCF. Divided by, it is LCM. Divides, it is HCF. Divides, it is HCF. Right? The number is a multiple of 7. The same number when divided by 8, 9, 12, 15, remainder will be plus 5. Listen carefully, sir. Answer, it is divisible by 7. Answer, it is divisible by 7. Answer, it is divisible by 7. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. 365. It is not divisible by 7. 725. It is not divisible. 85 minus 1 is 84. 84, it is divisible by 7. 84, it is divisible by 7. So answer for this question is option B. You no need to do this process because only one option it is divisible by 7. Only one option it is divisible by 7. Right? I hope the idea it is clear. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Take a group of 3 digits plus minus. 85 minus 1 is 84. 84, it is divisible by 7. 525 minus 2 is 523. It is not divisible. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. 1085. Answer will be 85 minus 1, 84. Is the idea clear? Question number 7. Question number 7. These, in case if you are somebody who wants to go for the SSC CGL online course, it's an English medium course, right? The total number of hours will be 350 plus hours. All the classes are taken by an experienced faculty. Test series is free to you. 1:1 mentorship is also given, right? You will also have an doubt clarifying session. Total number of tests are 18, subject wise 8, full length it will be 10, right? You can get into ACE online website, click on SSC CGL and you can purchase the course. I hope these are the steps to purchase the course. Wonderful classes taken by an experienced faculties. We will do some more questions. See here, sir. There is a number 8A 5146B. There is a number 8A 5146B. This number is divisible by 88. Any number divisible by 88, that means it is getting divided by 8 and 11. 8A 5146B, it is divisible by 88. 88, it is divisible by both 8 and 11. 8 and 11. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For the last 3 digits to be divisible by 8, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. That means 60, 64, 68. 60, 64, 68. 60, 64, 68. So this will be 460, 464, 468. 460, 464, 468. Check which number is divisible by 8. 464. 8 5s are 40. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40. 68 no. 8 5s are 40. It is 60 no. That means answer for this last value it is B is 4. B it is 4. B it is 4. I hope the idea it is clear. 8A5146B. The last 3 digits should be divisible by, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 460, 464, 468. So B has to be 4. B is 4. What is the next concept? It should be divisible by 11. It should be divisible by 11. It should be divisible by 11. Now see here. What is the divisibility rule of 11? This is because of the divisibility rule by 8. This is the because of divisibility rule by 8. Now let us do divisibility rule by 11. Divisibility rule by 11. What is divisibility rule by 11? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. It should be divisible by 11. It should be divisible by 11. So let us see. B value it is 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 plus 8 21. 21 minus of sum of even places. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus A. 7 plus A. It should be either the difference should be 0 or a multiple of 11. Or a multiple of 11. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 5 12 plus 5 8 plus 12 17. Here it is total 21 minus of 7 plus A. For it to be divisible by 11, A value can be 3. 21 minus 10 is 11. That means B value it is 4 and A value it is 3. B is 4, A is 3. Difference will be 1. Difference will be 1. I hope the idea it is very, very clear. B is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. So 21 minus of 7 plus A. So if I substitute A value 3, 21 minus 10 will become 11. 11 means answer will be divisible. So B value it is 4, A value it is 3. Answer is 4 minus 3, it is 1. Answer for this question is 4 minus 3, it is 1. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Next one, If the question is 8A, 5, 1, 4, 6B, this is divided by 88. Same question it is. The answer is B power A. B power A. Very easy, sir. B is 4, A is 3. 4 power 3 is 64. 4 power 3 is 64. 4 power 3 is 64. B is an even number. Even number power any number, it is an even number. Answer should be an even number. Only two options are out, 81 and 15. 12 is not 2 square, 2 cube, like that it will not be 12, right? So it is out. I hope the idea it is clear. So B is 4. 4 power any number, right? It cannot be 12. I hope the concept it is very much clear to you. Next one. If the 9-digit number, there is a 9-digit number, let us write the 9-digit number. It is 7x, 79, it is 25, it is 1y8. 7x, 79, 25, 1y8. It is divisible by 36. It is divisible by 36. 36 is 4 into 9. 36 is, it is 4 into 9. Answer should be divisible by 4 as well as 9. Answer should be divisible by 4 as well as 9. Now see here. For it to be divisible by 4, last two digits, it can be 08, it can be 28, it can be 48, it can be 68, it can be 88. 08, 28, 48, 68, 88. So last places it will be of these cases. Now it is divisible by 4, but not by, and it is divisible by 36. 36 means it is 4 into 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum we will remove. 7 plus 2, 9 we will remove. 9 also we will remove. 8 plus 1 also we will remove. What is left over, sir? Here it is 7, then x is left over, then 5 is left over, then y is left over. Then y is left over. Are you all with me? For it to be divisible by 4, last two digits should be divisible. 08, 28, 48, 68, 88. Y is 0. For it to be divisible by 9, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. So 7 plus x plus 7 plus 2 eliminated, 9 eliminated, 8 plus 1 eliminated. So 7 plus x plus 5 plus y. Y value if it is 0. If y value if it is 0. If y is 0, x will become 6. Why, sir? Why? Because the sum should be divisible by 9. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 6, it is 18. If y is 2, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 means x value, it is 4. X value, it is 4. Are you all with me? Next one. If y is, what is the largest possible value of y? Largest means directly we can take 8, sir. Y is 8. If y is 8, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 means x value will be 7. X value will be 7. You don't need to take all that values. It is clearly mentioned in the question that we need to take the largest possible value of y. Largest possible of y is 8. If y is 8, this will be, x will be 7. So answer for this question is 10x square minus 3y square. 10x square minus 3y square. So 10 into x it is 7 square. 3 into y it is 8 square. 49 into 10 it is 490. 64 into 3 it is 192. 192. 490 minus 192 is 298. 490 minus 192 is 298. Answer for this question is 298. Answer for this question is 298. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. It should be divisible by 36. 36 is 4 into 9. 36 is 4 into 9. I took all the possibilities of the number getting divided by 4. I want the maximum value of y. Y is 8. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus x. That means x will be 7. If y is 8, x is 7. So answer will be 10 into 7 square minus 3 into 8 square. 490 minus 192. Answer is 298. Answer is 298. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Next one. Already we did this question. 8a 5146b. Already we did this question. What will happen if it is divided by 88? We got b value 4 and a value 3. b is 4, a is 3. So a into b will be 4 3s are 12. A into b will be 4 3s are 12. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Next one. There is a 9-digit number. What is that 9-digit number? 9m2 365 n48. 9m2 365 n48. It is completely divisible by 88. 88 is a composite number. Write down it as a product of coprimes. So it is 8 into 11. It is 8 into 11. What is the value of m square into n square? What is the value of m square into n square? Now if you see here, listen carefully sir. M square into n square is m into n whole square. M into n whole square, it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. Two options are directly eliminated. 32 and 20 are eliminated. It should be divisible by 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits. 48 it is divisible. So if I keep n value 0, 0 will be 48. Yes, it is divisible. 8 6 are 48. If I keep 1, 148. 8 1s are 8, 68. No. 8 n it is 2, 248. N it is 4, 448. It is 648. Next it is 848. N0, N2, N4, N6 and N8. So N can be any of these values and it is divisible by 11. If N is 0, what will be M value? How to determine M value? Sum of the odd places. Sum of the odd places. What will be the sum of the odd places? 8 plus N plus 6. 8 plus N plus 6. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 9. So it is 25. 25 minus of. Again I am explaining. 8 plus N. 8 plus N. N plus N is 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 16, 25. Minus of. Sum of even places. It is 12 plus M. It is 12 plus M. It is 12 plus 1. 25 minus. If it is 14, that means M value will be 2. M value will be 2. Anyway, answer is 64 or 36. Anyway, it is. N is a 2k, sir. N is a multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 means answer will be. Now, here itself we can conclude some more. It is 4 into mx whole square. 4 into mx whole square is 64. Mx whole square is 16. That means m can be 1, x can be 4, or 2 into 2, or n into 1. Only to take these cases. 4 into mx whole square is 64. Mx whole square is 16. Mx will be 4. 4 square is 16. 4 is 1 into 4, 2 into 2, 4 into 4. Once we get x value, n value we will get. That means if m is 1, n will be 2. If m is 2, n will be 4. M is 4, n will be 2. Check whether it is getting divisible by any of these numbers. If it is not satisfying, go to the next number. Just a little bit of time calculation, but I hope the process is clear. Sir, how you concluded that n is 2x? All n are even numbers. It cannot be 0. 0 into any number 0. Answer is not 0. So n 0 not possible. N can be 2, 4, 6 or 8. So m into 2x whole square. It is 4 into mx whole square. 4 into mx whole square is 64. Mx whole square is 16. 16 means it is 4 square. 1 into 4, 2 into 2, 4 into 1. Take the cases, little bit of time taken, but I hope the concept to solve the question, I am sure it is clear to you. I hope this idea, it is very much clear to you. Question number 12, how to solve? I hope the idea, it is clear. Question number 11, already we did the same question. We found out the values of A and B. 36 is 4 into 9. This is where we found out the values of A and B, right? This is how you can purchase the course. We have the course which is, right, consisting of 350 plus hours, and these are all the doubts, content, live doubt sessions are there, mentoring support, it is there, right? I hope you understood how to solve number system, previous year questions in a most conceptual way. I hope you enjoyed the session. We will catch up again. In case if you forget to like, share and subscribe, kindly do it, sir. Thanks a lot. With love, Anil Nair.